good. This is good. We got the altimeter set. This is turn coordinator.
Heading in.
And what's that up there? That's 105.
Yep, 105.
Okay, so we got 100. Was it 90, 95, 100 right there? Okay.
Okay. Fuel selectors.
Okay, fuel selector is on both.
Okay. Flight controls.
Flight controls. Free and clear.
Okay. Wing flaps.
Wing flaps. Okay.
Right side is up.
And left side is coming
Transition.
down. Okay. And
okay, fully extended.
Right, and coming back up. Okay.
Okay, vacuum pressure. Or suction?
Yes, suction is, it should be in the green there, so that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And load meters.
All right, so I bring this back here. So the right picks up the load.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I went back to idle, all right.
Idle.
All right.
Engine instruments.
Engine instruments, the left, fuel is good, fuel pressure, oil temperature is good, cylinder head is good, and load is good.
Okay, right side.
All right, right side.
2200.
Coming up.
Turn to make the right base, turn left to make the right base.
All right. I see some reels out there. The runway unidentified light.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, to the right, you see it? Like 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was that, that couldn't be runway 11, no?
No.
That's runway 6, I believe.
Yes.
6 here?
Okay, so we're going to do a 3-mile right base, he said.
Okay, so we 3 miles there?
Yep.
Okay.
Bridgeport Tower, Cessna, Duchess 977 Papa Alpha is on a 3-mile right base, runway 11.
Duchess 977 Papa Alpha, Bridgeport Tower, runway 11, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, 7 Papa Alpha.
All right, below 140 gear down.
Okay, gear coming down. In transition.
Okay. And lights are coming on. Okay, and give notch flaps.
Got 3 greens, flaps 10 coming in. Okay, flaps 10.
Yeah.
Whoop, just went back up, sorry. Flaps 10.
And just to get familiarized with that taxi when you get a chance.
Okay.
No, you could do your thing and then when we,
okay.
Flaps?
20,
yeah.
At 400 feet. Harass this thing, 20.
Yeah. And I'm gonna go mixture, props full forward.
Full forward.
And full flaps.
Full flaps coming in. Full flaps.
And maintaining blue line.
Okay.
Got
300
capacity,
feet.
slightly low.
Okay, come right a little bit. Okay, on glide slope.
All right.
150. 100. A little bit to the right.
Yeah.
50. Nice landing.
Thank you. And
okay, flaps coming up. Flaps are up. Doing aviation.
where's this FBO?
Yes,
I think it's to the left there.
7 Papa Alpha, where'd you like to go to?
3-wing aviation, 7 Papa Alpha.
Roger, right turn Alpha taxiway, you can remain this frequency 23 wing.
Right right turn Alpha with you. 3 wings. 7 Papa Alpha.
I have to line and checklist.
Okay. Multitask, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. After landing. Okay, flaps are up.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Cowl flaps open.
Cowl flaps are open.
Carb heat off.
Carburetor heat is off.
Fuel pump off.
And fuel pumps are off.
Mixture lean for taxi.
Mixture is lean.
Okay, transponder we'll leave on.
Yeah.
Navcom we did. Taxi clearance we got. Alpha.
So where are we, Ron?
We are in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Okay.
Nice little evening. Low ceilings, but managed to
Scoot over.
scoot right
We
off.
dodged the clouds.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice approach.
Yeah, smooth.
It's clear on this side.
Yeah.
Definitely smooth all the way over.
Yeah. We've been trying to fly for the longest. The first time we came out here and it's like the airplane was down for maintenance.
It's been maintenance, then rain for what, like a week?
Yeah.
A week and a half.
Yeah.
Every day nonstop.
All the damn engineering hurricanes. And we got Peter, a buddy over here. Came for the ride. Yeah.
Flying for Fat Boy Aviation.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna. I don't know if you take a picture of us over here. Bring that. And take my hat off. I guess this is good right here, right? And let me just.
This is Freeport is the shorter distance, more expensive because it's more of a tourist destination, and then we've got Great Abaco Marsh, which is longer distance, which is it's going to be a straight shot from Opelika straight across. It's about 136 nautical miles, if I remember correctly.
I think that's definitely doable. In
That's
aspect.
doable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what we'll do is just fly the island, coastline maybe.
Well,
And-
when I did the flight plan, since we were doing direct, it brought us straight across.
Full all water.
Yeah.
Well,
So
this
I would-
isn't within. What's the
This
distance
is
from?
86 nautical miles, I believe, if I remember correctly. So we could shoot up here,
And
then come
right,
across.
that's what I was thinking.
We just
So you said we coming in from what part of the states? Then?
right over here,
Okay.
Opelika. So
Alright.
there we land there. We've got to clear customs there for the
Right.
Bahamas. We could also, I think, buy the permit to fly the other.
Just as soon as you put 30 tons of strip.
How you doing?
Rowan.
How are you, Ryan?
I'm Cameron.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Pete, sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Closest I've ever been.
Stratus there.
Yeah.
So they told him if you fix it, you gotta fly.
Yeah, the older guy.
So aerodynamic.
Yeah,
Sexy,
man, this
really.
thing is sexy, and once you pull the gear up,
Yeah.
and then
Oh, they got a
what's great
step
is that
there?
this is a twin turbine,
Yeah.
so they get to taxi in.
Wow. Make sure you send me those pics.
Yeah, definitely.
This is probably what flies over the railroad when I look up.
What's your cruise speed in there?
We normally cruise about 140.
Flex right out.
So, yeah, the aerodynamics. If you ever look at YouTube, just go, flight of a helicopter blade,
Yeah.
and you'll go, oh hell no, I'm not gonna get it because literally they're doing this.
Is there some flapping in there?
When the
A lot.
turbulence, you can feel it too when you're hitting the rough.
Yeah,
really?
turbulence. But like this is, like right here, this position would be the advancing blade. That's a retreating blade. So if we're doing 140 knots, so this one advances, so it kind of what we call hunting.
What does it sweep into?
Yeah, it kind of sweeps
Okay.
this way, so it kind of comes forward.
Okay.
And this one lags and comes up
Uh-huh.
to catch the lift all the way around. So they're constantly moving. There's what we call a rotating swash plate up there. So when we put an input into the stick, it changes the whole system and moves it around.
I guess that's what the connectors are.
Oh yeah, those are the pitch tubes.
and enter.
All right, so we hit enter.
Enter again. Okay, it's going to draw the line. But
Yeah.
it's going to be, we're going to be off it once we're airborne. Just hit
Yeah.
direct 2 again. It'll pick up from your last position and paint your new line. You just hit direct 2.
Yeah.
You don't have to tune Farmingdale anymore.
Okay.
Then hit enter, and it'll draw you the line.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Ground is tuned.
What runway we using, you said?
1-1.
1-1, and we are where?
We're here, so we're going to be making a left.
Onto
We're
Gulf?
taxiing on Alpha.
Yeah.
And then to Golf, Kilo, and then
Okay.
we're on.
Bravo, right?
Yeah.
Bridgeport ground, good evening. Duchess 977 Papa Alpha at Valo Aviation with Bravo. Ready to taxi southwestbound.
Duchess 977 Papa Alpha, roger. And taxi to runway 24 Hotel via Alpha Hotel. Wind currently
Taxi it out.
200 at 3.
Okay. Just let me know if you need anything. Just turn on your taxi light.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Our nav lights on?
Yeah. Nav light is on. Yes.
All right. Rolling.
Okay. Let's see.
Just down now. We're all the way down there. We're gonna make a turn.
Okay. So it's called. Right now we're on the CTF. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Bridgeport traffic. Duchess 7 Papa Alpha taking runway 24 south westbound departure. Bridgeport traffic.
Okay. Clear right. Anyone
All right.
approach over there on the left side?
Clear left.
Okay. Rolling up. Lights are on.
Yes, you're clear. When you get on the runway, just hold the brakes, bring it up to 2,000 RPM, and that's our last check.
Okay.
All right, so nice and straight, and hold the brakes. Oop, a little bit crooked. There. A little bit to the right. There. Okay.
Oh.
All right. All right. So bring the power up to 2,000. Make sure it's even.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bring it all the way up to 2,000. Okay. Engine instruments are in green. All right. Release the brakes.
Release.
Full power.
Full power.
Full power. There you go. Airspeed alive. It's 40, 50, 55, 60, 71. Rotate.
Rotate.
Step on the brakes. Positive rate of climb.
Yep.
Gear up.
140.
140?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, we ought to descend.
Yeah, is this, yeah. Let's see here. You drop down to 2,000. I would just lower the nose. Gain some speed coming really fast. We're just the only ones out here. So you have a high sink rate there.
Yep. Okay, we have the tower set, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him in a second.
Okay. Okay, this way.
Yeah,
Turn.
I see it. See the right here is right. I'm gonna slow down a little bit more, right?
Okay. Yeah, the runway's right over there.
Okay. Just maintain your airspeed, 85. Right here to do auto marker.
You gotta turn them on.
Yeah.
Alright, turn them on.
Just let me know when.
Alright. Airplane.
Okay, my airplane.
Airplane.
Got it.
We're still on 20.
Okay.
That was a nice ILS practice.
Want to catch the landing?
Yeah. Tell me when you want full.
Full flex.
Full flex.
Yeah.
In transition. Okay, full flex. To the right of center.
Okay.
Duchess 7 Papa Alpha, say parking.
Echo ramp, Duchess 7 Papa Alpha.
Duchess 7 Papa Alpha, turn right Alpha, cross runway 1 to the Echo ramp with tower. Have a good night.
Right turn Alpha with you to Echo 7 Papa Alpha. It's Alpha.
Yeah. And flaps up.
Okay, flaps coming up. Follow the line.
Yep, got it. Right here. And landing time, what time?
Okay, we're on at, shit, I can't see. 10:26.
Okay.
Hold the line.
We'll come back here. Yeah. Got the landing, Pete?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Now it's gonna take me about 5 days to edit. That thing is a pain in the ass, especially when it crashes on you.
Yeah.
You gotta keep hitting save.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what I don't understand, Pete, is when I hit save and I bring it back up, like I try to play it, it's like it's telling me like it can't. Stuff is just like I can't even explain it. I don't know. I get blanks.
We're gonna have to get a Mac and get a different software on there.
Okay. Yeah.
And better video editing software.
Yeah.
Won't do that.
It just takes so long to learn all this stuff. It's time consuming.
Yep.
I just start resorting back to YouTube and watch the videos. It's over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right in the corner. Tower, thanks. Good night. Sam Papa Alpha.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Have brakes.
Okay, brakes release.
Release.
Okay. Yes, you're turning a little bit.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. Niggas hates me now. I'm really in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand me, no. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Nicely done.
Okay. Straight up.
Shutting down radio.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the plate.